Introducing the brand new Pexto PR 720, made right here at Roper Whitney. The PR 720 is the latest model in the Pexto line of combination rotary machines. Built with forward and reverse foot pedal control, the PR 720 leaves both hands free to work the material. With rotation speeds controlled by applying more or less pressure on the pedal, the rate of forming is directly controlled by the foot switch. Some other features of this machine include 20 gauge max capacity. We have a 7-inch throat depth with adjustable backstops to keep your material nice and straight. And it runs on 120 volt power, so it can be plugged in anywhere you need it. The PR 720 comes standard with a set of back wheels to easily maneuver the machine around the shop. There are 12 different rolls or dies that can be ordered with the machine. They all offer different capabilities for forming. Rolls such as turning, burring, elbow edging, flanging, flattening, crimping, OG beading, single beading, slitting, offsetting, and more. A larger backstop plate is available if you're working with larger pieces. Thank you for watching our video on the brand new PR 720. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on our latest machinery. And also don't forget to smash the like button.